What if the internet could run without middlemen? No banks, no corporations, no gatekeepers. In 2015, one project set out to make that vision real. It wasn't just another cryptocurrency. It was a new kind of platform for everything from finance to art to gaming. This is the story of Ethereum, the blockchain that redefined what crypto could do and where it's headed next. It all started with a teenager named Vitalik Buterin. It's a programmer and writer who got fascinated by Bitcoin back in 2011. But the more he explored Bitcoin, the more he saw its limits. Bitcoin was revolutionary, but its blockchain was built for one thing: peer-to-peer money. Bit-a-peer might have had a bigger idea. What if a blockchain could do more than just move coins? What if it could run code little programs that live forever on the blockchain and execute automatically when certain conditions are met? These smart contracts could power decentralized apps or dApps that anyone could build and no one could control. When Bitcoin developers didn't adopt his ideas, Vitalik decided to create a new blockchain from scratch. In 2013, he published the Ethereum white paper, proposing a world computer, a decentralized platform where anyone could deploy code that runs exactly as programmed. In 2014, Vitalik and a small group of developers, including Gavin Wood, Joseph Lubin, and others, launched a crowd sale to fund the project. Investors could buy Ether, the native token, for about 30 cents each. The sale raised over $18 million, making it one of the first major crypto crowdfunding successes. By July 2015, Ethereum went live with its first version, codenamed Frontier. Developers could now build and deploy smart contracts directly on the Ethereum network. Over time, Ethereum evolved through multiple upgrades, each one refining and expanding its capabilities. Homestead in 2016, the first stable release. Metropolis split into Byzantium and Constantinople, improving performance and security. Istanbul and Berlin, optimizing for scalability and developer tools. Each stage brought Ethereum closer to its vision, a global, decentralized infrastructure layer for the internet. Ethereum quickly became the foundation of the modern crypto ecosystem. It's the platform behind DeFi, decentralized finance apps that let you lend, borrow, and trade without banks. NFTs, digital art and collectibles that changed how creators make money online. Decentralized organizations run by code instead of CEOs, and it all runs on Ether, the token that fuels computation and keeps the network secure. While Bitcoin aimed to be digital gold, Ethereum was designed as digital infrastructure. It's not just money, it's programmable money, programmable ownership, programmable everything. That flexibility made Ethereum the go-to blockchain for developers, startups, and even Fortune 500 companies experimenting with Web3. But with success came challenges. As more users piled in, the network became congested. Transaction times slowed, and costs skyrocketed. To solve this, Ethereum's developers began working on the Ethereum roadmap, a long-term plan to make the network faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. The most historic milestone came in 2022 with the Verge. This was when Ethereum switched from energy-intensive mining to a more efficient model, a crucial step towards scalability and environmental responsibility. And that's just one part of a broader evolution. Ethereum's roadmap, famously described by Vitalik himself, outlines several major phases, each one improving a core aspect of the network. Let's break them down. The merge completed, transitioned Ethereum to proof of stake, cutting energy use by over 99%. The surge focused on scalability, using technologies like rollups to handle thousands of transactions per second. The scourge aims to ensure Ethereum remains decentralized and neutral, resisting censorship. The Verge will simplify how data is stored and verified, making nodes easier to run. The Purge cleans up old data and streamlines the blockchain to make it more efficient. The Splurge adds final touches and experimental upgrades to perfect the network. Each phase brings Ethereum closer to its ultimate goal, becoming the backbone of a decentralized internet that billions can use. From a 19-year-old's white paper to the foundation of Web3, Ethereum has redefined what a blockchain can do. It's not just a coin, it's a platform, a movement, and a vision for a fairer, more open digital world. And its journey is still just beginning. If you gained value from this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And keep an eye out for our next video at Crypto Clarity 101. Thanks for watching.